What up there, people of the internet? Nailed it, Kendama back, and we just got to open up our presents from Christmas Eve at my mom's house since my dad has his Christmas. Look at all this gear we got. And then he's in the Seahawks stuff. Woo! And he got that one.
Look what we just opened.
Oh yeah, he got a
New sweets.
it was like a midnight blue.
Navy.
And I got this bad boy. It's a sweets. We still haven't opened up our presents at all our dad's and their side of the family's houses. So we just wanted to give you a heads up on all the new stuff we got. Not bragging or anything, but it's pretty awesome. And I think I'm going to put a new Facebook photo of me and him in it. Alrighty then, guys.
Goodbye.